SenseNC Finesse optimizes both spindle speeds and feed rates. It works by taking cutting parameters, material data, and machine parameters into account and analyzes the toolpath at every cutter location.
We decided to run this demo day to demonstrate the impact that our software can deliver on a real machine like this here.
Anyone who is involved in using machine tools in the cutting process, particularly on the milling side, should consider using this software.
So for product development for Siemens NX-CAM, collaboration is really important, and what productive machines are bringing to our customers is going to support not only the productivity of programming with NX-CAM, but it's going to bring more of the real world into the digital world. And that connection and that blurring of those boundaries is really important for us and for our customers.
So by sharing this information and this software optimization with our customers would really benefit their productivity and their ability to save money and time.
But it also gives you right first time, longer tool life, lower residual stress, so better quality part. What's not to like?
We show the attendees how loud the machine can be if it is not optimized. But when it's optimized, it's quiet. So it's good for the productivity and quality of the processes, but in addition, it's good for the health of the employees next to the machine. We are going to be featuring this product in the Siemens marketplace, so any Siemens NX-CAM customer can buy this solution online and they will be able to benefit from the impact of this technology in a matter of minutes.